You too, what's up? It's your boy 360WAVES. You already know what time it is. It is a self-cut day, and today I'm gonna cut my hair. I'm looking real rough right now, so yeah, I'm not gonna speed this one up. I'm gonna show you exactly how I do my high taper, and yeah, so stay tuned for that. Let me put this next strip on real quick. Let me flab down all the time, flab down. I don't know why, I just like it. It looks neat, okay? It makes everything look neat. It's the only reason why I do that. But yeah, stay tuned.
Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction.
Alright you guys, so when it comes to setting in the first guideline, it's things that I do or things that I notice before I cut my hair. So I look at the first wave and I don't go no higher than that. Now this wave at the bottom, I don't care nothing about that. But that wave at the top right here, that's what I want to save. So when I go in, I think about that first before I start cutting. When I set in my bald line, I use my Babyliss FX trimmers. You could use your clippers with the lever closed, but I just like setting in a harsh guideline. So I'm gonna start with that first. I'm not putting a bend to it, a curve to it, because this ain't that. Like Cito say, this ain't that. Alright, so the reason why I set it so low, like I did it basically if I was to line myself up, but I just went straight down. I'm doing a high taper. So the reason why I set it so low is because, like I said, I'm trying to save this wave that's right here. This one I don't care about, but this one right here, I'm trying to save it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with a bigger guard and just lighten up this whole area. I'm gonna grab my one guard with the lever open. I'm just basically gonna go up to that wave and scoop out. Make sure you brush down as you go. Basically what you're doing is you're just getting all of this down to that one guard length. The scoop out is so that it blends in and you're not setting in a harsh guideline to where you gotta go further up. Alright, so now that I have that first wave locked in right there, you can obviously see that first wave I still saved. So how I'm going to attack that is I'm going to go down with the grain with the two guard with either the lever open or the lever closed. Always try the lever open first and then drop down. I'm trying with the lever open first. I'm noticing how it's not really cutting too much off. So I drop the lever and go down a little bit more. You could kind of see a little bit bulk right here, a little bit more bulk right here. That's fine, but I want to take it down just a tad, So I'm going to go in with the one guard with the lever open and just kind of bring down that wave area just a little bit. So now that we got that taken care of, we know how high not to go, okay? I'm not going any higher than what I just did right there. So now I'm setting in my guidelines, and I'm gonna take out the guidelines, and it should be blended. With the lever fully open, set in the first guideline. I'm going up not even a ½ inch. I'm going up like, I wanna say half of what I just set in. The next guideline is the one guard open. Just because you use the one guard open to scoop out, you were just setting the foundation. You were just trying to see basically how high you want to go up. Just because you use the one guard don't mean you don't throw it back on there. Throw it back on and set your guidelines scooping out. Just so everything can be at that one guard length. Once you hear nothing's cutting, you can move on. So now with the zero guard closed, time to work on that middle line right there. And what I like to do is start below the line and flick to the line. Now, if I need to go up any more than that, I adjust my lever open. So with the zero guard closed, using your corners, flick out that bottom line. So once you got that taken care of, don't stay there too long. I know it looks like a lot of bulk at the top. Don't worry about it just yet. Keep moving on. Now with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, or let's open it up just a tad. Put it in the middle, soften up that middle line. It's not gonna take it fully out, just soften it up. That's basically taking baby steps. All right, so now fully closed. Using your corners, flick out the rest. So after you're done setting in your guidelines, you took them out, it's not like you're not gonna have problems still. Still gonna have to work at it. Like me, I got the bulk up at the top. I got these areas right here that I need to work on. So we're just gonna do some detail work. Take a one guard with the lever closed. Try to soften up that area at the top again. Right now I'm just doing detail work. I'm really focusing on that top bulk. I don't really care that it looks like a line because it's not. It's a wave. Honestly, it's just a wave. So you don't have to really stress on that too much. Just start detailing using your corners and getting in those areas where you see bulk. You don't have to use the full blade all the time. Just use the corners. I got the 2 guard on right now, just scooping out. Lightening up that area. Alright, so basically that's it. I'm done with all my detail work. It's basically the same thing on the other side. In the back, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Y'all just got a trial and error on the back. Alright, same guidelines, same everything. So yeah, let me speed through the rest of the sides. YouTube, that is it. This is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button if you learned something, alright? I'm gonna give you time, because I know a lot of you guys out there, you hesitate. You're either watching this on the TV, okay? Get your phone, okay? There's no excuses. Alright, you're watching it on TV, I understand. Hit the remote and somehow hit the subscribe button, okay? Also, hit the like button, okay? Hit the like button for the algorithms, okay? If you've seen Space Jam, algae rhythms, okay? Hit the like button. I'll give you time. I give you time. I got time. I got time. Just hit the like button. Listen, links to the tools that I use are in the description below. Now that we got that out of the way, this is the cut. I'm looking pretty clean. I'm feeling myself right now. I'm on Instagram as well. Oh my God. I did this all on Instagram Live. You know what I'm saying? It's going down. Everybody say what's up. I'm gonna give y'all 15 seconds. Okay, all right, okay. All right. Okay. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out of here. Peace.